Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to uh, make it so that Python can click for you. Like, for example, just do a normal click. So if my mouse was here, it would click for me, or it could right click for me, which would be also cool, like this. So first off, you want to start off by getting the mouse module. So you're going to say import mouse. Now, if that didn't come up, what you could do is you can just click right here and you can click interpreter settings, and you can just click right here, and then you can search up for mouse like that, and you can just install the package. So then we can use the module from there on. So you can just close that and then you can click OK. Now you can try it again, and as you can see, the mouse module came up. Now what we're going to do is we're going to import another module, which is time, and this module should usually come with Python. If it does not, I don't know what I can do for you, but now what you're going to do is you're going to say time dot sleep, and you're going to say, let's say 5 seconds, and then you're going to say mouse, and then you're going to say click, and when you run the code, you need to wait 5 seconds and it'll click on the Windows button for me. I'm not clicking anything, and as you can see, it clicked right there. I can also show you by right clicking, so you can say right click, and when you run it again, it will right click for you. So wait 5 seconds and it right clicks. So there you go. And I'm not sure if there are any other possibilities, but let's see. I mean, there's double click. I don't know if that's useful. Um, let's see what else there is. There's middle clicking, I think. Mouse not middle. Okay, that doesn't work, so never mind. But anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all next time.